Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use shield inside Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to use shield, we need to get our town center to, I think it is at least level 6. I'm currently at level 9, so yeah, it could be level 5 or 6, I can't quite remember. But yeah, keep leveling up your township, and then when you do, you're going to have this under your icon, your user icon, top left hand corner. We've got this little arrow, so click onto that and that's going to bring up wars. Now under wars we got shield here, so protects your city from all enemy attacks and scouting. So if we click into that, we can have a look at all the different options. So we can use a protection shield for 8 hours, 2-hour shield, 8-hour shield, 24-hour shield, 72-hour shield. So if I want to go ahead and activate a 2-hour shield, I'm going to go ahead and click on use. Then it says again, 2-hour shield, protect your cities from all enemy attacks and scouting for 2 hours. I can click buy and use for 400 gems. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it says confirm 400 gems to purchase this item. Click confirm. Then it says then your town will be shielded for 2 hours in my case. But I think you can, if I go and click that again, that little icon, shield. Yeah, we can put shields for up to 3 days, 72 hours.